Qualifying Q1 and Q2 Thailand MotoGP 2024 result. After a Q2 morning checkpoint flight, Marquez chased fastest in final practice ahead of Franco Morbidelli, Francesco Bagnaia and Jorge Martin. In qualifying 1 session, Quartararo briefly breaks back into the top 2, but Gigitano then goes fastest to push him back third. Quartararo fight back again to go fastest, a brilliant effort by the Frenchman who was clearly pushing his F1 to absolute limit. Gigitano also advanced to qualifying 2 with Quartararo, but Brad Binder increased to lose out on the transfer list and the wheel start curtain, followed by Alex Spargaro, Miller, Jose Fernandez, Ruin, Nakagami, Mir, Fernandez, Marini, and Sapadori. Qualifying 2 begins when champion Francesco Bagnaia is among the first out of the pit lane. Most riders are on the hard front on the medium rear tire, with Marco Bezzecchi and Alex Marquez starting on the soft front. Martin also has a moment, while Bagnaia set the early marker with a 1 minute 29.331 seconds. Bagnaia improved again, but Martin is now just 0.054 seconds behind him, midway through qualifying 2, and the order is Bagnaia, Martin, Bezzecchi, Marc Marquez, Bastianini, Acosta, Alex Marquez, Morbidelli, Vinales, Quartararo, and Zarco. In 4 minutes to go, Marc Marquez crashed out, losing the front while chasing Martin. And now Martin is down as well. Time attack is over for them. Francesco Bagnaia looks angry about something in the pit, but is set to climb pole position. Johan Zarco becomes the pole follower of the season. Qualifying 2 is over. Francesco Bagnaia is pole position with a new lap record. Marco Bezzecchi and Jorge Martin will complete the front row. Francesco Bagnaia climbed pole position in new lap record 1 minute 28.700 seconds at Buriram MotoGP 2024 qualifying.